Hey guys, welcome to Henry's channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make smooth keyframe effect in CapCut PC. So let's just simply place a keyframe. Let me just paste it here. So now you can see the movement is not smooth. So to make it smooth, simply right click on your pic or your video, and from here go to graphs, select ease out, or you can also make your custom graph which you feel is smoother than the presets. So now guys, you can see the animation is smooth, and from here you can play with the graph to make it even more smoother. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.